Hello, Fat Guy Flies RC. How y'all doing? We're going to do an unboxing of the FMS 1100mm PC21 Pilatus. So I have not opened this up yet. I've only taken it out of its outer cardboard housing. So let's bear with me here. And let's just see what we got going in the box here. Okay. Take this up and out of here. One thing I have found to do in unboxing this plane, and if you open up both ends, it kind of helps with the suction and makes it sliding these out of these boxes a little bit easier. Normal. But I will tell you, they pack these things in so tight, so very tight. And oh man, she's looking good already. Get our arm around here. I'll drop it. The interesting thing about this model is it's actually longer. Alright, the manual must be inside. Sometimes they stick the manual underneath. Anyway, there's a good look at the box, what she looks like. And, oh, I'm knocking everything down. Right over there. Woo! Well, that sounds great, don't it? All right, take our handy dandy little knife here, and whoo, don't you love that sound of styrofoam? All right. Yeah, I mean they pack this thing. I think you could drop these off a 10-story building and you wouldn't have any issue. All right, there's a spar, small spar for the very cool 5-bladed prop. Okay, styrofoam insert. Got the spinner here. Got the masking tape holding the spinner in. Hexagon shaped nut goes into. So that's cool. All right. Then down here, we will undo the wing. And it looks like the horizontal stabilizer or tail feathers. All right, let's see now what we got going here with this. All right, yeah, you're gonna have to cut it down here at this end. Don't cut the finger though, because then it makes building the plane that much more difficult. You get blood all over the plane, and just, you know, hey, makes it kind of sucks. All right, well, there's the tail or the horizontal stabilizer. Take our styrofoam, put it off to the side here, and recycle bin. Oh, I just love the way they pack. They protect every square inch of the plane. They really do. All right, there's your wing. Nice big wing. You got your retracts are already installed there. Your clevises, your control horns, everything's already hooked up. I don't know if y'all have noticed on the videos, but the end of the wing has a little sweep up on the end, and you have a decent amount of dihedral, however you want to say it. So it should be a very stable airplane to fly. More protection. Ah, the manual. It would be in there somewhere, and here's your little nuts and bolts with a big nut right here, taking the plane apart, and take that protection out. I mean, look, they're so concerned about this thing not receiving any damage in transport. I'm just you can't help it. Pilatus, FMS, e-flite, well, pretty much they're all FMS. They just do such a good job protecting these planes. They really do. I mean, they really do. They go, I think they go far and above. Man, look at that. Look how long that thing is. Interesting thing about this plane is it's longer in length than it is in wingspan, which is unusual. Usually your wingspan is always bigger, but huge, huge battery bay. So that's that. Get my knife away from the parts. So here's your parts there. You got your fuselage. Right here you got your wing. Rudder's already part of the fuselage. Horizontal stabilizer. Prop. Nose cone. Little bitty bag of bits and pieces. And then the spar for the horizontal stabilizer, and of course the manual. So hey, should be about a 10-minute build. So thank you so much for watching. We'll cut it for there, and we'll come back and do a build next. Thank you so much for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.